Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Ryujinx crashing on launching. Before you do anything, you need to update the Ryujinx program. So make sure that you install the new firmware and the new keys. Once you do that, then you can try these next steps. And the other thing you can try, disable your antivirus. You can do this by going to your antivirus, go under virus and threat protection, and scroll down to manage settings. Scroll down and here, hit the folder where Ryujinx is at. And then once you do that, save the settings and you go back to Ryujinx. And if you're still facing the same problem, you can try this as well. Go to options and then go under settings. Under here, you can try to reset your settings. Click on I want to reset my settings and click on reset. And then after you do that and still having problems, you can try to change the settings under graphics. Go under graphics and change Vulkan to OpenGL. Apply and save. And try that to see if you're still facing that problem. And you're done.